All right, guys, so that's a little bit of gaming on the Huawei Mate 20X. I'm not really a gamer, but these are the games that I have on the device that I played. I do like Asphalt 9. Hill Dash is not a real graphic intense game, but I do play Hawk, and I do play Brick and Balls and Forging Fantasy. So the phone can handle gaming for sure. I've used this phone to game for extended periods of time. It just gets a little warm because this phone has that cooling system in there to keep the device running smooth. But the games that I played was Forge Fantasy, Hawk, and Asphalt 9. I've played Brick and Balls before. It's a real simple game. These are the games that I actually like to play when I'm on a device and I'm just killing time. I don't really play those graphical games I just played. I play games like this that are very simple and just to kill time depending on what I'm doing. And games like this to me are kind of entertaining and, you know, simple games. But the phone for gaming, some of you have asked, it definitely can handle games with no problem. And I don't foresee you having a bad experience with this particular device for gaming. It's that good, folks. The phone is like, you know, the complete phone almost, man. I mean, I could harp on what I think it might be missing, but reality is this phone pleases me in everything that it does. And it's very difficult to put it down because it's such a good phone that, you know, they hit it out the park with this one. There's no sleeping on it. You can tell me about all the things that you think it doesn't have. But, you know, a phone like this is going to shine over a lot of the other competition because of this huge screen, this beautiful build quality. You know, the performance is fantastic. It's not a lot that the phone cannot do. Cameras, I don't even have to get into that, but the phone itself is a great phone for gaming. It has stereo speakers, and so that makes it even better. Some people have said that, you know, you hold the phone like this and it covers the speakers. Well, you just flip it upside down, and now you're not, or not even upside down, you just turn it in the other direction, and the speakers are now on the other side, and you can get all the sound you want. So gaming on the Mate 20, one of the best experiences ever. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.